We all see these people that are just killing it online. They seem to attract all kinds of prospects, have a full calendar of clients, and are making sales left and right. They post on social media and get people flocking to their offers. They send out weekly emails that charm the pants off their subscribers, and everyone just throws money at them. And then you see them on a beach somewhere on a month-long vacation. What the heck? How do they find all the time to post and to email and to sell all the time when you can barely find time to shower every day? I've got a little secret to tell you. The way these successful entrepreneurs, the ones that you see online, they use software to help them. And this isn't the same software you may have tried 10 years ago. The difficult, expensive, and complicated. These days, anyone can use software to set up what's called a sales funnel. And it allows you, yes, you, to generate leads, to send out emails, and make money all while you sleep. Now, stick with me here because I promise you, you do not need crazy tech skills, buckets of cash, or a dedicated staff to do this. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart. And sales funnels are the smart way for any business, even yours, to generate leads, to sell products, to send out emails, all on autopilot, and find you the time to shower again. Why you need a sales funnel. Your sales funnel should be one of the key parts to your business, no matter what market you're in. It is the process of moving people from unaware prospect to loyal customer. In fact, some businesses focus a majority of their efforts on perfecting their sales funnel and little else. Once you have a great product and service in place, success is most often a result of the sales funnel itself, and it works for you all on autopilot 24/7, 365. But what is a sales funnel? And why is it so important for your success? Well, the term sales funnel is an important marketing concept for all types of businesses. Your sales funnel is what moves your customers to purchase your services or products. And as they are led through the funnel, they transform from a random lead to a qualified prospect and finally to a buyer. As the funnel begins to narrow, the prospect gets closer to your paid offers. They are already primed and they are ready to buy. The sales funnel explained. The sales funnel is essentially a sieve that moves prospective customers through your sales process. It casts a wide net and then gradually and automatically weeds out unqualified prospects that are unlikely to buy your products. As the word funnel suggests, it's wide at the top, the entry point, and then it narrows down to the bottom, the point of purchase. At the very top, the sales funnel attracts your casual website visitors through a special offer, also called a lead magnet. This entices them in. You then can use marketing techniques like email marketing or one-time offers to show them other deals. This lets you gather information, and each touch point allows them to get to know, like, and trust you a little bit more, making them more likely to buy even your most expensive offers. Why should you use a sales funnel? Sales funnels are important for several reasons. First, the funnel makes the sales process more efficient. Since only the qualified buyers get to the end of your funnel, you don't waste time dealing with uninterested tire kickers. Much of the process happens automatically with your software. Let's take a look at how this works. Here is an example of a sales funnel. This is a typical funnel in action. Let's say you have a business that sells materials and information for rooftop gardening. So you create a website with a blog about green rooftop gardening that has a form on the sidebar where your visitors can sign up for your email list and receive your free ebook on gardening from the rooftop. Once the visitor downloads your ebook, you begin to market them through emails, offering them exclusive content, some helpful tips, and special offers. These offers gradually increase in size and price, leading them to your main product, a comprehensive kit of rooftop gardening information and supplies. We're talking everything they need. And it comes with a high price tag. Now, at first, your visitors just come to your site and read your blog to get information about rooftop gardening. At this stage, they may be just considering the option of starting their own garden. Those that sign up for your email list are even more interested, and the ones that take advantage of the email offers are serious and ready for ways to start their own garden. The people in this segment of your list are the ones that are most likely to buy your huge gardening kit, and therefore you begin to market the kit to them all automatically. With sales funnels, you actually want to drive people away. Another very important concept to remember about your sales funnel is that you don't need to, and you shouldn't, appeal to everyone. You only want to focus on those that are actually interested in what you have to offer. When you lose email subscribers, that's actually a good thing, as long as it's not too many, because why waste your time with people who will never buy, who aren't even interested in what you have to offer? That is the magic of your sales funnel in action. Key components of an effective sales funnel. For your sales funnel to work, a few key elements need to be in place. First, you need to consider what your offers are going to be. These offers should gradually increase in price and size, or in commitment as you begin to weed out those who aren't interested in buying your main product. Next, you need to decide the ways in which you'll keep in touch with your prospects to further qualify them. Through your offers and emails, you should be able to get your prospect segment of your list down to only serious buyers. By the time you get to the bottom of your funnel, you should have an email list of loyal customers that you can sell to over and over again, assuming you nurture those relationships. Your sales funnels are just the first step in a long relationship. There are several different ways to go about making your first offers. Some of the most common include freebie opt-ins. Now, a freebie opt-in is an item usually offered in exchange for a person's name and email address. This lead magnet is the entry point to your funnel. Your potential customer wants the free item or product, so they opt in by giving you their information. You can then begin to market directly to them through email. Subscriptions. Subscription products are usually low priced but more profitable for you because you charge an ongoing monthly fee to your subscribers. It's much more difficult to get people to pay for a subscription though, so the content you're offering has to be unique and valuable. But if clients are willing to pay for your monthly fee, they will be even more likely to buy your high ticket products. One-time offers. One-time offers are perfect because they imply a level of urgency that gets people to take action. These offers tell a visitor that once they click away, the offer will expire forever. And that means that they have to sign up and buy immediately or they will lose their one and only chance to get it. Keeping in touch. It's important that you keep in touch with your prospects. They shouldn't only hear from you when you're trying to sell to them. These follow-up emails you send to your subscribers should always offer to help them and give them valuable content. The purpose of these emails are to stay top of mind and to build a relationship with them. This is where they begin to know, like, and trust you. Your thank you page. The first step of doing this process is your thank you page. This is a small detail, but it is very important. After they sign up for your email list or purchase your initial front-end product, you redirect your customers to a page that thanks them for signing up or making a purchase. But that's not all. One time, an upsell. You can then use this opportunity right on the thank you page to make another offer or even provide more free content. Present them with a one-time offer, an upsell, an invitation to a strategy call, registration details for a webinar, or even another offer. Use this tactic to help further qualify them. You know you have a serious buyer if they immediately take you up on your second offer. Sales funnels and search engine optimization. Remember the shape of the funnel, widest at the entry point and gradually narrowing down to the main purchase. Because you attract as many people as possible to start out, the landing page where you make your first offer should be search engine optimized to direct as much traffic as possible to your offer. What kind of funnel do you need for your business? All sales funnels have the same characteristic and basic shape. widest at the entry point, and then gradually narrowing down for your prospective customer as they move through it. Each funnel may be similar, but no two are exactly the same. You have a variety of options when it comes to working out the specifics that is going to work for your business. So here are the steps to get started. Step 1, you want to research ideas. Before you begin thinking about the specifics of your funnel, it is important that you do a little bit of research. Make sure that there is a market for what you're offering. No matter how enticing your offer seems or how well crafted your sales funnel is, you won't succeed if there isn't an eager crowd for the products that you're offering. Step 2, research the competition. It's always good to check out the sales funnels of your competition. The point of this here is not to get ideas, but more to find the gaps and the missed opportunities with their sales process and offers. You've got to offer your prospects something unique that your competitors don't offer. And the best way to do this is to go and sign up for your competitors' list and see their sales process from the point of a potential customer. You should also take advantage of a couple of their offers to see what you're up against. You'll be able to see not only their sales funnels, but the quality of their products and services. Each sales funnel is similar, but again, no two are the same. So there's a chance here for you to really differentiate yourself. Step 3, brainstorm your sales funnel. Once you research your market and your competition, start brainstorming what you'll do for your first funnel. First, brainstorm potential offers. Knowing what the competition is offering will also help you target what your market could really use. What kind of offers would really help qualify your potential buyers? You consider freebies, low ticket offers for your front end, mid and large ticket offers for your back end, and don't forget to use one-time offers as they can be very powerful. You'll also need to figure out traffic sources. Traffic sources can include things such as social media, search engines, Q&A sites, forums and blogs, press releases, info products, and anywhere else that you can drive traffic to your opt-in landing pages. The more eyes that you can get on your landing page, the better. Step 4, you've got to plan it out. After brainstorming your sales funnel, you'll want to lay out your funnel in a visual way so that you can see the big picture. You can use tools like mind maps or spreadsheets or diagrams. A good sales funnel is well planned and detailed, but the great thing is it's also flexible. Once you put your sales funnel into action, you want to be sure to track your conversions to figure out the strongest and the weakest spots in your sales funnel. Troubleshoot it and find ways to strengthen the weak parts while replicating the strongest ones in order to improve your sales funnel. Here is a solid example of a sales funnel that you could use as a guide for planning your own. Now, once you have all of this mapped out, you can begin getting this built out. Now, if you just said,
"What the F, Torie? You totally lost me."
No worries. I know this is the part where a lot of business owners just close their eyes and walk away like it never happened, but not you, okay? You made it this far, and I know that you see the importance. You know the importance of a funnel for your business. So I have something for you just in case the tech part is not your thing. So, Smart AF Funnels. We want to take away all of your frustrations with all of the tech by giving you our proven websites and funnel templates to help you grow your business fast. Now, they all come with step-by-step training or the option for us to customize everything for you. So why are our funnels so special? Well, all funnels really are not created equally, and ours can actually be described as full marketing campaigns. So what does this mean? Well, our funnels come with pages, all of the pages that you need ready to go with each funnel, and are easy and simple to customize to your brand and style. They also come with emails. Each funnel comes with pre-written emails in an automated sequence to help you convert more people into buyers and leads. They all also come with automation. Using the power of automation, we send the right message to the right person at the right time for maximum conversions. We offer memberships. If you sell online memberships or courses, we have the perfect funnels that will streamline the entire process from lead to sale. So where do you start? You can go to toriemathis.com/funnels. Here you can pick your perfect funnel. Now we have a variety of different funnels for different industries and different purposes. Want a coupon funnel or a membership? Want a free pass funnel or an ebook download? We have all of those and more. And best of all, you just purchase and we import the funnel into your account. With all of our funnels, they are built in Kartra, which is an all-in-one marketing system. We're talking email, landing pages, products, checkouts, all of it. And you can try all of it for $1. I have a special extended 30-day trial that you can get at toriemathis.com/Kartra. After your purchase, you import the pre-built funnel into your account and it is all set up and ready to go for you to customize. So how do you customize your funnel? Well, you follow our simple detailed video training on how to edit the funnel with your own images and content, or you can have our team do it all for you with one of our packages. So are you ready to get a sales funnel working for you and drive your business to new heights? Once you have a great service and product, success is often the result of a sales funnel. It does the heavy lifting for you and grows your business on autopilot.